As containerization continues to explode, the need for a container orchestration and management platform has exploded with it. Kubernetes has become that de facto leader for orchestration and management. What we're seeing from our customers is, as they enter the Kubernetes space to solve this problem, is they really want to start by doing it themselves. They want to get their hands dirty and figure out how they can solve their own problems. But they run into a number of pain points before they come and talk to Platform 9. The first is around deployment times. To put up a production-grade, highly available cluster can take 3 to 5 weeks and eat up a lot of resource time that could be focusing on other things. The second is, once you have that deployment up and running, how do you monitor it? What are the things you're looking for? How do you even know what you're looking for? You have to go out and surf the internet and see what other people have run into in the Kubernetes space, and that takes a lot of time, and then a lot of really unique search queries. Once you have that monitoring in place, typically the last thing people are asking for is, great, I found a problem, how do I solve it? There's no guaranteed runbook out there that says when you see problem A, do steps B. You have to go and spend a significant more amount of time surfing the web. The reasons our customers are telling us they choose Platform 9 is because we distill away a lot of that operational complexity. The deployment times go from 3 to 5 weeks to a matter of hours. Platform 9 provides that 24/7 monitoring and troubleshooting support, and it allows their developers to focus on what their developers do best, building and running their applications. It also allows them to focus on the ability to scale rather than keeping their eyes on a single individual cluster. If you've already started down the do-it-yourself path with Kubernetes and are facing difficulties, Platform 9 can help you too. We've helped a number of our customers transition from a DIY implementation to a Platform 9 managed Kubernetes environment.